Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. All right, maiden run on the Oxidigger. First time out. Came out to this lake. There's a bunch of fishermen out here. Try to stay away from them. There's a bunch of birds in the water, but we got to get this girl in the water. So let's get it. All right, guys, we got a 4S pack in here, 6,000 milliamp. I forgot the other piece that I got to hold up the battery tray, but we'll take the living shit out of it. We'll do one battery with this SIG-P, and then we'll go with the CHNL, the 100C, and then I'll throw the GoPro on here. All right, boys. I'll tape her up, and we'll get to it. We got the GPS tracking right now. All right. Shouldn't be too fast anyways. It's just 4S. Hopefully, we'll stay away from these fishermen. They'll not give us a hard time. Got the GPS already tracking. I don't know. I greased the shit out of it, but it doesn't really sound that great. But we'll see. Trim her a little. Sorry, guys. There you go. Water cooling. Scare these birds away. Man, it's prop box. Big time. 4519 stock Oxidean. Sorry. Trim her out even a little more. Already giving me a hard time, these guys. Oh, need some major tuning. Got to turn the dual rate down a little bit. Man, she turns on a dime though. There you go. That's a ready to run Oxidean boat, basically, guys. Full trigger. All right, we'll bring her back. All right. Thanks. That one? No. This is ready to run. Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to the garage. Welcome back. Thanks for tuning back in. So right here we got the Oxidigger. We just got back from the lake. Ran a couple packs for the first time, 4S packs, and I enjoyed it, man. I enjoyed the shit out of it. This thing ran pretty good for the first time. I had a hard time controlling it. Prop walked a little bit, a lot. Also, the boom tubes got a little loose here. My electrical tape came off, but for the most part, this thing straight out of the box ran amazing. Amazing. Ran about 45 miles an hour, nothing special. Running the 4519 Oxidean prop. I'm going to swap this out to the 42 high rake that Oxidean has, the red one. Anyways, so that's it, guys. I'm going to grease the shaft up and get it ready for the next run. I'm still waiting on some packs. But for the most part, I enjoyed the shit out of this boat. Oxidean Marine, you built an amazing boat. You build amazing boats, and I can tell you, his boats are by far superior to everybody else's. And it's not just because they're fast. Yeah, they're fast out of the box. Great. But for the most part, the attention to detail, the fact that you don't really get any issues with the boat. The only thing that I had was the prop nut, the bullet nut, got a little loose, so the prop started walking a little bit, but I had already brought her in to notice that. And that's my fault because I didn't Loctite that. And these prop nuts have no nylon inside, so they tend to back out. So that's not his fault. And this boat ran amazing. No tuning. I did literally nothing to it except throw a battery in there, bolt on the sponsons, and throw my receiver in. That's it. That's it. Center my servo, and I enjoyed 2 packs. I mean, it was a little hard to drive. There was a bunch of shit in the water. There was a bunch of fishermen. There were a bunch of birds. So I made, I did with what I had. So I hope you enjoyed it because I enjoyed the living shit out of it. I love Oxidean. I love the brand. I love it all. I think it's great. And I own 4 Oxidean boats. I own 2 mini Doms. I own this digger, and I own the Dominator. And anyways, we ran a couple packs in her 4S. She ran pretty well. Nothing really happened. I mean, some loose collars, but for the most part, like, I couldn't ask for more, man. Less than $1,000. You're ready to go. Throw in your batteries and grease up your shaft, and you're having some fun. I'm ready to go again. What can I say? Grease up the shaft and throw some packs in there again, and I'll try it out again the next time I have a chance. I got to run to football. I got a doubleheader right now, 2 games, and if we win both of them, we win the first seed in the playoffs. So wish us luck, and we'll get back to the garage a little later. We will lock these all in a little better, and we'll get it ready to go for the next run, and hopefully we'll get a little more space on the next one and get some 6S going. All right, everybody, thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.